Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 17 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week at Simons Middle School, as you can see from some of the pictures in the connection. We had our first ever gingerbread house contest amongst the students, and they did an amazing job. And we had Fleming County PD and Tim Smith come in to take part in the judging. We also had several students and staff who appeared in the Christmas parade. It was 8th grade night at SMS. As you can see, some of our student section really got into the action by having neon nights. We do have several activities that are upcoming this week at SMS. We do have map testing, or rather benchmark testing in writing on Monday, and this is just for 8th grade students. So 8th grade students will benchmark in writing on Monday of this week, and then we will have makeup testing for the rest of the week. And students, if you have been absent, you do need to make sure that you come to school for the next few days so that you can get your makeup testing completed before reward trips and other activities for this week. We also have a country Christmas play that is going to be put on by our drama club, and they are going to perform a live performance for the community on Wednesday evening. It is free admission. They are taking some donations to support their drama program, but that is going to be a really great play. They've worked really hard on it since the beginning of the school year. And then also we have SMS movie night that is happening this Friday night in our auditorium. We are going to watch Home Alone. We will have concessions, and the admission is $5. The NKCES and Fleming County Schools are accepting donations for Western Kentucky tornado victims. It is shared out on social media, but we're going to take bottled water, socks, blankets, and other select items. Miss High will be accepting those in the Youth Service Center for Simons Middle School. This week we have an admin team meeting on Monday, and like I mentioned earlier, we have an on-demand writing benchmark scheduled for Monday for grade 8. Basketball is at East Carter, and the Fleming County High School and Simons Middle School Choir will be performing in our auditorium on Monday evening at 6:30. And then, as I mentioned earlier, my testing makeup will be all week this week. On Tuesday, we do have a vertical team meeting for staff from 3:45 to 5:15. Wednesday, we will have a staff ornament exchange in the library right after school at 3:45. The evening drama production of Country Christmas is that night at 6. Christmas drama production, the same production will take place for students from EES, Ewing, Hillsborough, and Ward at 1:30 that afternoon. And we will also have the staff Christmas dinner that day during lunch. On Thursday, basketball is at home versus Bath County. The Blue Barracudas, Green Monkeys, and Silver Snakes will be taking a reward trip. Friday is Bring It Friday as always. We also have the gifted and talented reports that are due on that day for teachers. The SMS dodgeball tournament will be that day during school in the PM. And of course, it's SMS movie night. Will get started right after school. It will be until 5:30. And then the Christmas drama production for Simons Middle School will take place, as well as for Flemingburg Elementary School on Friday. And we do want to wish an early happy birthday to Mr. Mulholland and Miss Sam Thompson for this week. This week, our student spotlight goes to Jet Martin and Maddox Earlywine. This duo had a video of their basement football league go viral. It has up to 2.6 million views. The video features Jet scoring a touchdown with Maddox falling down trying to stop the play. The video was shared on Instagram by verified YouTubers Whistle Sports and Overtime SZN. In addition to the BFL, they have a YouTube channel that includes many of their close buddies playing an outdoor wiffle ball league that they started over the summer. The video features many of the top plays, often played in slow motion with Jet commentating in the background. These two young men are outstanding athletes. Both of them have played football for the Cougars, and they are now in their basketball season. They will also play baseball in the spring. They both travel each Saturday to Lexington for practice with an elite ball team known as the KBA Prime, and they will travel this summer to as far as Florida to play in tournaments. So congratulations to these now TikTok famous sports lovers. Please feel free to follow them at BFL_KY to check out their videos and their fun. So congratulations, Maddox and Jet. Something that was not mentioned in the student spotlight but should be mentioned is both of them were definitely dancing at the winter dance this weekend, and it was actually very impressive. So shout out to you guys. Congratulations. So this week's Achieve 3000 leaderboard, we want to congratulate on Monday our top scorers, Zach Rios, Tuesday, Maddox Earlywine, Wednesday, Nisa Sullivan, Thursday, Brandon Weaver, Friday, Isabella Stacy, the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try, Maddox Earlywine with 11, and Amelia Lewis with 4. So our weekly top scorer this week was Maddox Earlywine. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.